another video. And today I'm not feeling very good today because uh, I've got a cold, so I won't be able to like cope up cope with anything. And it's it's been really cold out there, so I suppose might have to do more videos for you guys, even if I have a cold. And and I haven't been feeling too good because of that. Um, I need to like do this, and I'm ready to rock and roll. But as you could tell, I'm not feeling good today because I've got a bit of cold. It's not a flu, but it's cold, and and it sounds terrible. And if I even cough in this video, I would that will be. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Goodness. Oh, God, I feel terrible. But as you can tell in my voice that I can't even like talk because I'm getting a bad cough. It's not bad, but it's just a cough. But I'll get better soon enough. Once when this clears off. I'm not feeling good. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell when, if you do miss an upload, just let me know and I'll rearrange that. Just so you know, I'm not feeling good today because I've got a cold. Oops. Thank you guys for everything you've done, and thank you guys very much for like being very supportive and being patient, and yeah. Bye guys.